central Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, northeastern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania.
See, why is it going off for a
northwestern
severe weather
Montgomery
statement
County
when
in
it's a
southeastern
snow
Pennsylvania,
squall
south
warning?
central Carbon County in northeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern
Should
Bucks
go off
County
for a
in
snow
southeastern
squall warning.
Pennsylvania, southwestern
And this doesn't go off.
eastern Pennsylvania, until 4
Neither does this one.
At 3:27 p.m., a dangerous snow squall was located over Zionsville or near Allentown, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, flash.
Imagine if what was it? Flash freeze!
Gusty winds leading to blowing snow and visibility rapidly falling to less than 1/4 mile. Wind gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Source, radar and train spotter. Impact, dangerous and life-threatening travel conditions are expected to develop rapidly in the warning area. It includes the following highways. Northeast extension between
See,
mile
when
markers
it
25
just
and
says
72.
no message.
Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between
So does
mile
this
markers
one.
31 and 69. Locations impacted include Allentown.
Yeah, wait. We go on 12/2. It says chat OP means receptionist trash. Like when they go up, it's supposed to. Oh, I hit the wrong button. I don't think there's a message button.
Black ice will cause roads, bridges, and overpasses to become slick and dangerous. Slow down and be prepared for a sudden loss of traction. Slow down. Rapid changes in visibility and road conditions are expected with this dangerous snow squall.
I went
Be
through
alert for
with
sudden
this
whiteout
button.
conditions.
What happens if
Consider
we
avoiding
do?
or delaying travel until the snow squall passes your location. If you must travel, use extra caution and
What
allow
did you
extra
do?
time. Rapid changes in visibility and slick road conditions may lead to accidents.
I don't know.